Okay, so in this triangle, it says consider the following. So we have these side lengths here. AB is 18 centimeters, so we'll write that here. It says BC is 12. And then it says that the measure of angle A is 21 degrees. Now, they tell us two distinct triangles can be created using these measurements. What's the measure of the angle at vertex C for each triangle round to the nearest tenth? So we are looking for the measure of this angle. So here we know we have angle, side, side. So we have an angle, and directly across from that a side length, another unknown angle, and directly across from that a given side length. So here we're going to have to use law of sines. So we'll say sine of 21, if we put this over 12, this will be equal to sine of x over 18. Now, we're looking for x here, so we want this sine of x by itself. So I'm going to multiply each side by 18. So now I have sine of x is 18 times sine of 21, and this will all be over 12. Now, here we're solving for an angle. So the way we undo a trig problem here is we're going to multiply by its inverse. So we'll take this and move it up just a bit to give us a little bit more room. And we have x is equal to sine inverse of this fraction. 18 times sine 21. And this will all be over 12. So here I'm getting a value of 32.5 degrees. Now, this would be the measure of angle C1 because this is the value of the first angle we found. Now, they tell you to look for angle C2. So because they gave us this hint that two triangles can be created, we know that this leg here, the leg that is directly across from the given angle, this is what is referred to as the pivoting leg with the ambiguous case. So if I took this leg here, I could treat it as a pivoting leg. So I know that this leg is going to be able to move. So it pivots back and forth. So here, as it moves, it creates this new triangle here, and that would be this obtuse triangle right here. So what we know is that if this leg is 12, we know that this leg here also has to be 12. And then we already found the measure of x here. It's 32.5. So if this is 32.5, we know this angle has to be 32.5. So C2 is this obtuse angle here. So what we'll do is we will say, in order to find this angle, we'll call it y, we're going to say 180 minus 32.5. And that gives us 147.5. So that would be the measure of this obtuse angle here. This would be 147.5. All right, that's going to be all for this example. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, and we'll see you all in the next video.